Recently I tried the Derwent Academy watercolor pencils portrait set, and I liked how the pencils were formed. They are not the best, but they are, let's say, in the middle. So I bought also the bigger set, and I actually wanted to buy the 36 set, but I was not able to find it. So this was the only one available. So that's why I had to buy the smaller set. But what can we do? So let's take a look. As I said, this is a 24 set. The pencils, they are interesting. They are not all the same color, as you can see. I mean, the wood, this one here, for example, this is so funny. So from this side, it's the really nice colored wood, and on this side you have these lines, like black parts. I think you can see it. So strange. Are the others also like that? No, this one looks the same all over, all around. So these are more yellow, this one is more red. Like here it's more, the wood is more reddish. So strange. But okay, what do we have? So we have there's Derwent Academy watercolor pencil, and we have the color name. So these pencils do not have any numbers, they have color names, and they are a little bit thinner than, let's say, I know Albrecht Dürer is a professional one, but they are thinner than your usual colored pencil. Yeah, they feel thinner. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch them now and we will see how they perform. I'm going to use the same paper I always use, the Canson XL watercolor paper, and I will swatch them here. Here I swatched the White Nights, and I'm just gonna swatch these ones here because I do not want to waste paper. So I finished the swatching of these Derwent Academy watercolor pencils, and they are a little bit harder pencils, so they are not so soft. I was a little bit surprised by this first color, that is acid yellow, because when I started coloring with this one, it was so hard, and I was like thinking, what? I don't remember the other ones being so hard, but thank God it was only this one. So this one is really hard, and they are harder pencils, but you can still work with them. And I actually find it really nice that I have here the White Nights watercolor pencils, and these ones are supposed to be professional ones. These are the student grade ones, and I have to say that I like more these Derwent Academy student grade ones. And again, I'm coming back to the White Knights. I cannot understand why they cost so much, because they do not dissolve well and they do not have any light fast information. So, but let's come back to the student, the Derwent Academy watercolor pencils. So these ones also do not have light fast ratings, but as I said, they are the student grade ones. But for that, they actually dissolve nicely. There are some colors like this one, which looks really nice. There are some other colors which look nice. This one also, it dissolves here nicely. There are no those pencil lines. The black is, well, it's not really black. This one goes more in the greenish direction, and this black here is more like brown direction. So strange. But yeah, the black is not really black. This is a gray. Maybe you do still see some pencil strokes, but not so much. And some of the colors, if I really compare these two ones, for example, this green one is much stronger from the Derwent Academy. But for example, then if we look at these two, the Derwent Academy one is much brighter. So, and also actually the blue ones, they are also different. But I like it how these ones dissolve better here. So let's just check out where are they? Yes, so if we compare those ones to the Faber-Castell Gold Faber, I would still go with these ones, because these ones dissolve even better and they are much more pigmented. You see how nicely strong the colors are here, and these are the ones from the Derwent Academy. I think the difference is again obvious. And what else do we have? What did I try? The Stabilo one. Yes, these are the Stabilo watercolor pencils. They also dissolve nice, maybe even a little bit better than Derwent Academy, but they are even less pigmented than the Derwent Academy. And I think actually the 36 set costs the same as the 24 set of the Derwent Academy. So maybe this one would be a better choice. These ones are more expensive. But I do have to say that I like the color selection of the Derwent Academy portrait set. I really like this selection here. The Derwent Academy, the normal, I will call it the normal set. So I think you do not get the same colors. Let me check. I can check it now. Maybe no. These two ones. Let's check this one. This is the brown, and so we have one is the same. Terracotta. We have two which are the same. Three, because we also have the white one here. This one is far. Let's see. Yellow ochre also. Okay, so that's already 4. Rose. What's this one? Oh, there is also rose, so it's 5. Carmine red. It's definitely not this one, but that's only red and red. So the carmine red is not inside. Oh, also the bright pink is there. Cream is not inside. The black is there. Raw umber. This one is not inside. Sand. I think I do not have a sand here. and this one would be burnt umber. Do I have the burnt umber? Yes, I do have the burnt umber. Okay, so you can see now that there are unfortunately a lot of doubles. So this is the 24 set and this is the portrait set, and in the portrait set you have 2, 4, 6, 8. You have 8 colored pencils which you actually have in this set here. So that's just so you know that if you want to buy this set and also this one, you will get some 8 doubles. So only these colors here are not double. Yeah, so let's come back to this one. As I said, the colors are not bad, so they are like from the, let's say, in the middle. They dissolve okay, they're not so bad. The pigmentation is okay, it's not the best, but a cheaper version of that would be, for example, the Stabilo ones, but these are even brighter, even less pigmented. Or another option would be the Faber-Castell Gold Faber, but these ones are expensive, but you can also see that they are more pigmented. Another set which I would actually recommend before the Derwent Academy is the Koh-i-Noor Mondeluz. I have been using them for like 2 years now. Yeah, just like a quick glance. Artina, I would unfortunately not recommend. The Magic Fly, no way, would not recommend it at all. Supracolor, they are pigmented, but they are overpriced for that they are not dissolving so well. Yeah. So once again, because I went away from those that I was testing, so these were the ones that I tested now. These are the colors that you get. Oh yeah, think about it. Look at the colors and the watercolor pencils that you have, and maybe you already have similar ones and you do not need these ones, because for me actually the best from these ones is this portrait set. Otherwise I think this one was unnecessary. Okay guys, so that was the Derwent Academy watercolor pencil set. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.